We are integrating with this platform called Axomo. It's a pretty widely used third-party platform for people to manage their company swag stores. But what we have done is given you a way to integrate directly into your assembly and give your members the ability to redeem their points for company swag, which is something I'm personally very excited about. And I know a lot of our customers have been asking. So if you do not have an Axomo account, you will need one to enable swag. Just like a little tip, if you don't have an Axomo account, you have no plans of having an Axomo account, you can use culture rewards to set up swag for your company. So you can just make each, culture reward swag. It is a way more manual process of fulfilling it, but just know that that is something that we do see some customers do. But now that we have Axomo, I think we're going to see kind of a shift away from culture rewards to using Axomo for this. So setup is very easy. You'll have your Axomo subdomain. So ours is assembly.axomo.com. You'll enter your API key. Right now, like for the sake of this, I've disabled the validation. So you'll need an API key from a security perspective to validate this. So you can find that within your Axomo account. And there will also be a help article around this to also guide you through this if you don't know where to find these things. So basically whatever is live in your, actually, I can just show you really quickly. So basically we directly import whatever swag you have enabled in your store. We show swag that has a statuses of active, coming soon, back ordered. We don't show swag that's been deactivated. That's something that you can change the status directly in Axomo, but we show to you, we automatically import everything that you have in your store. So, and if you have a price set in your store, we convert that price into a trophy value. We've gone in here and manipulated some of these for our test account, but in your Axomo store, we import every single thing that you see. Well, let's go to the admin view, actually. So if you go to admin panel and you see all of your items here, we just import everything with various statuses. And then whatever price, so 4670 would convert into, 4,670 trophies because the conversion rate is 10 cents. But if you want to mark it up or if you want to mark it down, you can come in here and edit the price to be whatever you want. So if I want to make this 2,000, save changes, that's what your members will pay in points. As far as shipping goes, so to keep this very simple, we do not handle shipping costs in assembly. Again, our points don't really translate to actual money until your credit card is charged. So say you want to just add a flat rate amount to cover shipping. So say shipping, maybe we recommend for US shipping, if you're only going to have US shipping, adding 500 points to cover the $5 needed for, 50 to cover the $5 needed for your shipping costs. Again, our conversion is different than what you see. So you can add the shipping cost, and this will show, I'll show you in the rewards catalog what that looks like. You can turn all items off. You can turn all items on. You can manually turn items off. This is just what's going to make the item viewable in the rewards catalog. So for example, just to show you, I'll turn this off for the sake of this demo. So this is the tumbler. By default, we disable showing the swag tab in the rewards section. So if I was to go to, well, I'm an admin, so non-admins won't even see the swag tab show, but admins, you'll always see the swag tab, but you'll see here the swag tab is turned off. So once you turn it on, that means it's going to be available for everybody in your assembly to see and start to redeem. So only turn it on when you're ready to launch, but you can set up the whole store without ever turning this on. And this can be the last step that you do. So we'll turn it on, and you'll see that the tumbler isn't showing up because I turned that item off. We have a few items that are coming soon, a few items that are out of stock. So we're showing your members that these items exist and that they will be able to redeem it soon, or if it's out of stock, that it will be back in stock. For the swag that they have enough points to redeem, they can select it. Shipping will be covered as part of the total cost. So again, if you want people to use their points to cover shipping, you can add that value in. If you don't care, just leave that 0 and they'll just pay $2,000 for this particular piece of swag. They'll choose the size, the quantity. They'll only be able to choose the quantity that they have enough points to redeem. So you'll see in this dropdown, I can only choose one because I only have 3,700 points. So, for comparison, this is something that's 807. I can choose up to 4. So people can never over order. They can never order more quantity than their points allow. So just a quick little detail there. So we'll have this. Shipping. If you have, so just a quick demo of what this looks like. If you have international shipping enabled, we will allow your members to choose from the countries that you enable, that you whitelist within Axomo. So right now we have international shipping available. We have a team in America. We have a team in India. So you can either choose India or the United States, and you'll enter the information there. And then the next process will just be confirming. And then one thing to note, and this is Axomo policy, this is not our policy, orders cannot be canceled or modified once placed unless it's an error on their end. So again, not our policy within Assembly, but if orders need to be canceled for whatever reason, you need to reach out directly to Axomo to do so. So once the item is redeemed, you will see, if you've redeemed the reward, you'll see it show in your My Rewards. You can check the status here. If the order hasn't been shipped, we'll reflect that. If it's been shipped, we provide a tracking link. And then if it's been delivered, we'll show you a delivered status as well. And we'll keep the tracking link in case you need some extra information. And again, you can redeem for as many items as you have points to do. But this is a great opportunity for anybody in your company who's really into swag and you want to offer this as a way for them to use their points. It's already been a really popular ask amongst a lot of our customers. So just set up a store in Axomo and you can take advantage of this really amazing new feature that we have.